Good.
Good.
Thanks, buddy. So yeah, we're on. We're live.
Yeah, we're live.
Very good. So yeah, well, we're not live. We're just recording it, but it's recording right now. But yeah, man, what's going on? It's Justin Pill here. You know, my YouTube handle is Justin Pill. It's capital J. The rest is all lowercase. And yeah, Tyler, what's going on? It's Tyler.
Yeah,
Mine's here. It's your handle.
my handle is Mindcraft, all uppercase. Mind is in mind, craft with a K. Um, yeah, I've been thinking a lot about Texas.
Me too.
Yeah,
That's brutal, right?
that is brutal. A lot of Canadians don't get it, but I shouldn't say a lot of Canadians, but you're seeing people making fun of them, saying they can't handle the snow. But
Stop.
it's the electricity
It's,
bills.
The water coming in from the collapsed ceilings in their kitchens and their places, and their food going bad, and they have to eat their food in the snow because the freezer doesn't work, because the power went out, because the grid wasn't taken care of, and everything wasn't winterized, I guess, right? So, I mean, yes, I know, you know what I mean. Like, you know, here we have it so it doesn't happen as easily, and it's acclimatized for this weather, this province in BC, right?
For sure. I mean,
Should have been back here,
Texas is usually hot, right? They usually get like sandstorms and like droughts and like snowstorms, kind of like peculiar. Especially with this like global warming myth. I mean, I shouldn't say that. But I don't believe in global warming. I believe in climate change.
well, the world isn't has always changed. There used to be one continent, right? Pangea or whatever. What was it called?
Pangea, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And they had like just different parts of the earth that were not underwater like they are now. BC used to be underwater, and like mineral gold and whatever. It's so rich with that stuff. But other places aren't used to it. They're getting cold Arctic air. Like for me, I saw out my window in Burnaby. I saw just the wind come and trees, and all of a sudden it's snowing, but only a tiny little bit in just the Arctic air. Believe it or not.
Crazy.
First time snowfall. So I was thinking to myself, well, it's gonna hit parts of the world that we can get for a long time. In Texas, it used to snow there a lot. Probably. I don't know. I never really looked into it, but India gets snow. When I was in grade 7, I was at Windsor Elementary. It snowed the day before we got middle for summer break or whatever that is. I don't remember July something. I don't remember when we get let out kids, but that's what happened. Not July, was it? Yeah, I guess July 2nd or something.
Yeah.
June or something. It snowed, and it was literally snowing. If I remember correctly.
There are some projections saying that living near the equator in 20 years from now, you won't be able to live there. It'll be too hot.
Yep. Like in California, they have places that are just so hot, they burn your skin. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, it is crazy.
Can't worry about it. But yeah, like, they need to take it seriously. People are including characters, not gonna be able to handle it anymore.
It's doing shit to our atmosphere.
What?
It's doing shit to our atmosphere, and we need that. It's a protective layer.
Yeah, the age of it.
Yeah. Well, it's happening all the time, but
It's happening again. It's happening again.
yeah.
I love coffee.
Yeah, no doubt. Coffee's awesome.
Coffee too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but that's just the little filled with idiots. But like a lot of people don't care about the environment. Corporations, government, they just want to get money from us. They've been burning stuff since the beginning of like time, probably. So they just want to charge us carbon tax, and then they're charging more for gas, soft drinks. So I can't buy Coca-Cola now. Well, I can, but I have to pay more. Tax went up on that. It's going up soon. I forget exactly when. I saw it a while ago.
But
Oh,
when I grew up, I was afraid that like by the year 2000, the shoreline would raise 10 feet. All the glaciers would be gone. There were a bunch of things that, like, the world would run out of food. But yeah, I looked up projections from 1970, so 50 years ago, of what they said our future would be like. Do you want to hear some?
Yeah, but that's this. We should show the graphs on the screen.
I don't have any graphs.
Well, like just links and then graphs of like or whatever like the stats you're saying, but it's fine. But it just shows it's better. They're idiots, bro. They just want to make us scared of it. Like they knew that was going to happen. What do you think?
I think it's just scare us into getting into gear and changing. When these predictions came out, it was the first Earth Day, so it's like let's think about the Earth and like really people were trying to make a difference, right?
Yeah.
So, the top one is Harvard biologist George Wald estimated that civilization will end within 15 to 30 years unless immediate action is taken against problems facing mankind.
Yeah, like, who knows, man, the government is charging us way too much money for taxes.
Yeah, carbon tax is a big one.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Charging us to breathe, pretty much, because we exhale carbon.
Yeah, so I don't think that's a big deal, though, do you?
No.
When we exhale, cars are different.
Yeah, cars are different. Jets,
It's a lot more.
the rich, the like really rich that fly around in their jets, that's where a lot of it's from.
Leonardo DiCaprio was talking about all that stuff, he flies to his eyebrows down. That flew the earth like crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, guys, it's just ridiculous. I don't get the regrets, man. You don't see me driving around in a 68 Dodge Charger every day, like the money on gas and spending like all that money to just basically drive around in a old piece of junk. It's a collector car. It's not even that nice of a car. People drive around in those in Surrey all the time, and the new Dodge Chargers that came out, they have all those on the roads. What do you think's gonna happen? It's polluting hardcore.
Mm-hmm.
It's sad. Yeah, what do you think about all that?
I don't like it. I mean, like, they're hypocrites. They're just like, they're false idols, right? They're trying not to worship false idols.
What do the actors and the clowns?
Yeah. You say they stand for something when they don't,
Yeah, they're just trying to get.
just to sell their image.
Yep.
I got 20 of these, so I don't think we should read them all.
Read some, but read that.
Kenneth Watt warned of an impending ice age in his speech. The world has been chilling sharply for about 20 years, he declared. If present trends continue, the world will be about 4 degrees colder for the global mean temperature in 1990, about 11 degrees colder in the year 2000. This is about twice what it would take to put us into an ice age.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know, man. What do you think?
I think we've gotten hotter. 11 degrees is a lot. That would mean that our winters would be like, well, that's just wrong. And this is like one of those scientists that like everyone puts so much trust in with their like where are they getting their data from? That's what I want to know. Or is this just yeah.
Take us to the cleaners. We get all the money.
Yeah.
This is not great for our leaders. It's just melting us. We are.
Yeah.
Not that good either.
No.
No. Their big babies taking all the milk. Where's my milk?
Yeah. Where's your milk?
They're taking all our money.
Yeah.
What is that, Laura? Orange juice?
I'm gonna rub my belly.
Nice. I think that. Maybe, eh? That's killer. That's awesome. Yeah, man, I don't know what they're trying to pull us there, man. It's just up to no good. They're always up to something behind your backs. It's pretty cool, eh? Real nice, small thing to be doing to us. Regular folk.
This is a crazy one.
What?
SCN, I don't know what title that is. Senior Gaylord Nelson wrote in Look That Dr. S. Dillon Ripley, Secretary of the Smithsonian Institute, believes that in 25 years, so 1995, somewhere between 75 and 80% of all species of living animals will be extinct.
It's true though. Probably most of them keep poaching. And when we think there's animals now, right? Well, think about what there used to be before. You think about crazy poaching, sharks, and shark fin soup.
Yeah, shark fin soup.
Getting that stuff that makes the guy have a heart on.
Yeah,
Steak tiger, bro.
tiger penis. They eat penises.
Like, I never had a problem with getting, like, whatever, I don't know, food, but I don't think I'll ever have a problem with that, having my finger get hard. That's because I don't know, everyone's different, but I did when I took meds, but I don't now. And I smoked like a chimney, but it was just meds, but I mean, yeah, if I'm an old man, as soon as I see a girl naked and she's decent looking, it's like instantly, So,
Yeah.
I don't know, I have respect for women, don't get me wrong, but you know what I mean? Like, if I had to procreate, I'm pretty sure I would have to. I could do it. But those guys are like, I don't know why they have to do that to animals. I don't want to kill a tiger.
Yeah. No.
Cool, I want to play
Why?
with it.
To eat some penis?
No.
No.
Well,
Just eat a hot dog.
Well, I don't like eating those either.
Yeah.
Because they're like, yes, who the hell want to know? If people want to, go ahead, but I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't like soups. It's Michael.
Yeah.
I guess anything. Eat my own penis. It's weird. Those things are weird, bro. They're scary. People want to eat those.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be chased by 10 guys with a penis in my hand and get, like, caught in an alley.
Oh God, no.
Like gunpoint or something. It's scary, that, I'm just trying to be funny, but no, for real, it's not. It's scary shit, man. It's gross. I don't want to have penis or whatever the hell they're eating. I don't like hurting sharks. My grandma used to bring me sharks to Florida and I didn't want them anymore. Like, they're cool, but I don't like that they kill them. People go off in the water and wondering why they get attacked by sharks. I'm not saying it's good that they get attacked and lose limbs. I don't want them to happen, but we expect it. It's like if someone came to my home, I don't care what the law is. You see, my cousin had his place broken too, and he was passed out, and his wife was, and she was pregnant, and someone stole their rings, and they had a lot of rings and earrings and gold chains and gold bracelets, like, ones that one wrist and gold bracelets. And the cop said if he beat them up, let's say he woke up and beat the guy, which he would have anyways. And the cop said you can. Well, it's just, you go into a shark's home, anything's gonna happen to it. Or a shark's gonna eat you. They might eat you.
Yeah.
You think someone broke your house, I can beat them up. If I could, I'm not gonna just be like, yeah, go ahead, take wherever you want. Might develop that. I'd probably chase them down after. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like when people come to my home unless they're invited.
Yeah.
So, I mean, how do you shark feel though?
Totally.
Feel affected. Feelings, the ocean's huge. They don't, they're like around them bugging them. It just bugs people. Some people and some animals, they just want to be alone. So, yeah, can you blame them?
No.
I stayed a little while. Let's go surfing. I said, I'm scared because of the sharks. She's like, there's no sharks here. I'm like, I'm sure there's sharks. My friend's like, there is, and I'm like, fine, we'll surf. But I just don't want to get eaten by my friends.
Yeah. Yeah,
My
no,
friend's in a wheelchair or something. But anyways, you were saying, you were going to say another topic?
Yeah.
Something?
Paul Ehrlich chimed in predicting that in 1970 that air pollution is certainly going to take hundreds of thousands of lives in the next few years alone. Ehrlich sketched a scenario in which 200,000 Americans would die in 1973 during smog disasters in New York and Los Angeles. Smog.
Did that actually work? Because it's happening. It actually got true because it's happening now.
Well,
It's happening. I'm glad we don't live there.
don't think 200,000 people died from the smog disaster in New York.
Well, instead of they're gonna eventually because of the air so bad in some places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like China. China's pretty bad. Some
Yeah.
parts of
Like,
China.
Yeah. Some parts of China, you were saying?
Yeah. We had really bad smoke here, didn't we? Like a couple years
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess it's pretty dangerous stuff. You don't want to breathe that stuff in.
No. No, I don't like that. I don't. That's right. Bad air. Getting a sick cough at the same time you were.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy world, buddy. The world's just so corrupt. Just trying to do our best.
Even the air is corrupt.
That too. Government. Yeah, a lot of.
Yeah. Oceans, everything.
Well, everything's dying in the ocean.
Yeah. And we have like islands made of garbage.
Yeah, Toronto's built on that. I'm not like the garbage part of it.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's on today actually somewhere there's a lot of sucks there. I think places with me, I can barely breathe in the summer when you went there sometimes. Walk their bots most of my life and as a family and I would be there and I could barely breathe. I always had lung problems like because of all the smoke I've been around and asthma from the air, dust in the air. Not so much now, but when I was a kid, man, until I was like 22, 23, my asthma went away. I know it sounds weird, but I just started smoking my lungs. And I was actually smoking more, and my lungs could handle it. Maybe that makes sense.
Huh.
I don't know. But when I was younger, I would like almost, like my lungs would get so screwed up, and I would maybe have to oxygen almost, have an inhaler all the time when I was a kid, and it went away. As I got older, 33 now, so I smoked heavily most of my life, and when I was a kid, I smoked cigarettes or marijuana, but it just, my family smoked a lot when I was around it. The windows would be closed. You shouldn't smoke around kids inside.
Yeah, you really should.
Our dad growing up to smoke.
How could anyone think that's good?
I don't know. Breathing, smoking, inhaling, like chemicals at work. Look, I'll show up the window, like, see all that vape smoke? I have a fan down there, you can see that they usually blow all the smoke out the window. I don't like any kind of vape or anything around me.
Yeah. Well, shall I read one more?
Sure.
Okay. In January 1970, Life reported, scientists have solid experimental and theoretical evidence to support the following predictions. In a decade, urban dwellers will have to wear gas masks to survive air pollution. By 1985, air pollution will have reduced the amount of sunlight reaching Earth by 1/2. Ah! That's one.
That hasn't happened though.
No. And that was by 1985. Top scientists. Top scientists, man. Let me tell you.
And they're all liars. I don't know what they're talking about, a lot of them.
Yeah.
I don't believe them. Just because they have a degree. Someone said, because I said something, and they said, oh, you're not a doctor. I'm like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to. I still have a brain that I can use. And it's not hard to understand what's going on. You know what I mean? Like, obviously, there's so many things I don't know. Medical things that has to do with my body, but just because I don't have a degree doesn't mean I can't understand a lot of things, simple things.
Yeah, it seems like they're the ones that can't understand simple things.
But it's fine, it's okay. It's just shit and stuff I was saying. Listen, I'm like, oh, so I don't think you're bad for saying that. But just people don't know, right? I mean, it's whatever. There's a lot of things I don't know. Even if I learned all of it, went to school, be doctored, I was reading another book too. He even said that. So he knows a lot. He's not stupid. It's just that people, right? They don't know. Like a brown guy asked me one day when I told him there's seashells up on the top of the mountains there, just flowing in water going down the mountain.
Yeah.
There's water up the mountains. He's like, what? There's seashells up there? I'm like, oh, you should go go up there one day because I'm working for him, helping him do strip it back and fix up a house for his client. And he's like, "You want to help me work?" I'm like, "Sure." But I just took a break, had a smoke and had a beer and talked to him. He's like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, "What? There's shells up there?" I'm like, "Yeah, I didn't know that this was at the border. Even India probably was before. India, I don't know. I never
Some
looked
parts.
into it, but that's where he was from." And he's like, "Really?" I'm like, "Bro, like, half the world was underwater and it's just one continent." He's like, "No way." I'm like, "Yeah, man. There's seashells on the top of the mountains. And dirt, big deep. And I'm sure there's parts that are exposed that show seashells like right on the, like just on the base of the ground. Like, when you walk up mountains when it's not snowing there, you can see probably. I never went up there much, but there is. I've been to Whistler and went skiing as a kid. I seen like, not there, but some places by like the ski resorts, there was like seashells and stuff. I was like messing with the dirt. You know, up there in the summer, and my friends like, "Look at this," and yeah, it's cool. Hey, there's seashells over there. The guy was just shocked. I was 25 telling him this. I said, "How the hell like could that happen?" Like, because water, this was underwater. Sand got washed up on the shore, and different mountains like all the way down, like how exposed they died because Earth all of a sudden just the water slowly really fast went down. And just they died because it dried up. But that's what there's there. There's fossils in those mountains.
Yeah.
So it's cool. There's all kinds of cool stuff being discovered that used to be alive and stuff that they thought was they didn't even know. They're discovering new species of frogs that are so small they're smaller than my nail, than my pinky.
Yeah.
Crazy, eh?
That's crazy. Crazy world, man.
Well, there's a lot we don't know, right?
Yeah. Well, hey, we should wrap it up.
Yeah, we should. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Love all y'all.
Yeah, stay sober, please. I've been watching a lot of people overdose.
Yeah, stay sober. Or get sober.
Yeah.
Live long and prosper.
Live on and prosper.